And now that we are having breakfast outside, of course, we have our little baby with us. Today is her 24th day anniversary or birthday. And she loves to have breakfast outside with us. She spreads her wings and she eats so well, and she's getting her feathers. I'll show you her tail. Look at that. And her little crest here, when I talk to her, she raises it. She raises it now. And there she is, listening to my voice and with her little crest. Loki, Loki. Now look at that at 24 days, and we'll check it out in about 2, 3 more days. You'll see how they grow so fast. So we're getting entertained with all this. Loki, Loki, Loki. Oh, oh, Loki, you're going to spread your wings soon, and you're gonna fly all over the village. Eh? That's what you're gonna do. Yeah, yeah. So that is day 24.